Infinite love, beautiful people. Welcome back to our new video. Today's inquiry, it's all about past lives. So, do they exist? If they exist, what are they? And who is the one who has the past lives? So, to inquire into all of this, we have to have an open mind. We have to look for the facts, to observe as they are, not what we want or don't want, but actually what is. And to start with this, you have to have skill of observation. If you don't have it, you have to develop it. I will link a video here how to develop the skill of observation. And by developing this skill, you are able to freely look, not influenced by that which you know and with your own experiences, but you can actually, free of your own will, look and observe that what really is. So, when we are free to look, then we can ask this question: is there a past life? And when you ask this question, if you have a sharp mind, if you have observed, developed the skill of observation, there rises another question, and that is, why are you asking about past lives? Why is it so interesting to you to know what was in the past life or what will be in some future life, when you are right here, right now, alive? So, if it is important to know if the past life exists, wouldn't we all remember past life? And also, why is this so important to you? Observe yourself right here, right now. When you ask this question, why do I want to know about past life? Is it a form of entertainment? Is it a fascinating thing to know? We go deeply and observe. We want to know if the past life exists because we are curious, because that represents some kind of fun, and also, very important, escape from your own life, right here, right now. So, when you want to know all of these things that are past or future, you are escaping now. You are not facing that what really is right here in this moment. It is much more important for you to be able to observe right here, right now, than to remember what was in some past life, if it even existed 1,000 years ago. So, if you give attention to your life, if you develop the skill of observation, you will find yourself more and more present. You will be here observing what it is, and you will also have to face everything that you have collected from all of your experiences until this moment. So whether it was experience from past life or experience from yesterday, it is still hanging here in your head, and it is limiting you, because if you had a trauma, you cannot go beyond the trauma unless you face it. But you do not have to remember the trauma to face it. You have to face your own feelings, your own thinking, and your way you act. And you do that by giving attention in your life, by observing yourself, how you act in your relationship with other human beings. Everything will show itself to you if you are willingly open to listen, to observe. The more you listen, the more you observe, the more you attentive are, the more developed the skill of observation is. Then you are out of this small ego. Then you are out of expanding consciousness. And we talked briefly about expanding consciousness in one of our short videos. And we can now incorporate it into this inquiry. So when you want to expand your consciousness, what do? you collect even more information, more knowledge. And the more you collect, you more expand your consciousness. But in actuality, it isn't so. For you to understand and to observe is much more important this what it is right now. To go beyond the concepts, and to say beyond is even false, because there is no going anywhere. You are just letting go. You are letting go of all of these concepts, concept of the past life, concept of expansion, concept of have to know, have to become better. Those are all nice stories that you have collected because they were interesting. They have baffled your brain for a second, and you felt the presence because you were not there when you listened to them. So if you let go all of that, what remains? This, what remains, you have to observe for yourself. You have to find out for yourself what this is. And also, you will be much more happier. Not just happier, you will be joyful because you are present. You are not thinking of what was and what will come all the time, but you're actually facing what is here. This facing will allow you to use your true intelligence, to flow the universal intelligence through you, so you are able to see that what really is as it is, and you will react as it's needed to be, not what you want it to be, not what you like it to be. So to conclude, if there was ever past life, there is a reason why we do not remember them. And the question for you right here at the end of the inquiry is, can you live like that you die psychologically for every past moment, every experience that was, and live fresh for the new one? Give this question to yourself. Try this in your life. Observe, give attention. Can you let go of that which was and be present in this moment? Please find out for yourself. Until next inquiry, you can watch some video here, and infinite love to you.